people are making thousands of dollars from different types of trusted cryptocurrency related websites nowadays because most of the people are earning extra cash or want extra cash for ensuring they are happy life from any corner of the world. In this video, I want to share how you will get paid more and more thousands of dollars from trusted cryptocurrency related websites, and these are very powerful software for earning cryptocurrencies. So without any types of knowledge or experience or helping any other people, you can earn extra money from any corner of the world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single week, I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. On the other hand, if you already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much from the core of my heart. So let's get started. Right, this is the first website, I think, honeyminer.com. Honeyminer.com is a trusted website and it has launched or started their journey on online platform 2021, and you can get paid more and more by using your computer or your mobile phone. So how you will start your journey step by step, I want to share. Start mining cryptocurrency right now. Honeyminer makes mining and earning money simple for anyone with a computer, and this one is available now or Windows and available now or Apple, and you can just create your account on this platform first of all. Sign up in a minute. Downloading Honeyminer takes less than a minute and only requires a valid email address, and this one is scan option. Become an expert miner. Honeyminer's proprietary algorithm will scan through dozens of cryptocurrencies to identify the most profitable coins to mine at any given time. And this one is stick with it at mine one coins will automatically convert it to Bitcoin, and your balance will increase daily. You can keep it as an investment or sell it for cash any time you want. So this one is the common feature about Honeyminer.com, and it is mining. And also, if you come over here, calculate your earnings, and earnings depend on the power of your graphics card as well as overall market conditions. Near pieces can make any horror from 15 to $75 per GPU per month. So the potential, if you hold HODL based on annual Bitcoin groceries, just increase and decrease over here, and you will get after a 5 years calculation, and this one is 10 years calculation. And if you come over here, and this one is a decrease like this 20%, and this one is a takes $1,519 for 5 years, and this one is $23,740 for 10 years over here. This one is common calculation. You can start your journey as a beginner or a neo earner. So first of all, you have to know all the criteria about this honeyminer.com, and these are the common questions. I mean, frequently asked question over here. How do I get started with Honeyminer? Just click on this plus button. It's super straightforward. Download Honeyminer and then run the program after locating it in your downloads folder. After running it, your computer or will start mining. It's that simple. And this one is how much can I earn? It depends on the power of your computer, specifically the graphics card. Computers built for gaming or near pieces built bought in the last year will make the most. Older computers and laptops will be able to mine as well, however, not at the same levels as near ones. On the high end, near computers can earn $1 to $3 per day. I mean, this is amazing per day for our GPU based on today's value of Bitcoin, and you must know the all frequently asked questions from here. I recommend you to start your journey to earn extra money by using your mobile phone or your computer or other devices on honeyminer.com. This one is a second website, I think, cryptobrowser.site. Cryptobrowser.site is a powerful cryptocurrency earning related website. You can earn or you can start your journey over here, and then how you create your account on this platform. First of all, you must download this crypto tab browser like Google Chrome or other browsing website. Like Opera or other Mozilla Firefox or other browsing website. Just you must download the crypto tab browser, and you can browse your any types of topics on this platform to earn extra money from any corner of the world. Web surfing made profitable. Try CryptoTab, the world's first browser with mining features on Bitcoin without looking up your from watching video, chatting, gaming online. Join the community for more than 10 million users all over the world. This one is amazing. I think you can also trust this website to start earning from here. Download Crypto, the browser and innovative browsing solution combining the easiest web technologies with the unique built-in mining algorithm. Just click on this download if you want to do download on your Windows, and then this one is a Play Store, Google Play Store. You can use this one. These are the common features about the CryptoTab browser. Blazing fast and lightweight browser. This one is a built-in mining features CryptoTab, and this one is user-friendly, customizable interface, and this one is a synchronize everything across multiple devices. So I want to share another information about this CryptoTab browser. Just click on this similar web, and you will be able to get a lots of information. I mean, global rank, country rank, category rank, and then if you come over here, lots of people, I mean, United States 8.46%, and Russian Federation 5.16%, and Ukraine 3.60%, Indonesia 3.48%, and Thailand 3.37% over here. And lots of people are working on this CryptoTab browser over here. And there are lots of informations about this CryptoTab browser. 5 reasons to use CryptoTab browser. Number one, earn while surfing the web. And number two, the fastest built-in mining algorithm. Number three, switch to the new browser in a click, and this one is enjoy all of your favorite Chrome extensions. And last of all, use CryptoTab on all of your devices. I think this one is a user-friendly browsing website, I think, from any corner of the world. You can use this platform on your computer or your mobile phone, and CryptoTab features security and filters, tabs, and Windows address bar and search. CryptoTab features cloud boost, and this one are the common features about this CryptoTab browser over here. And you can start your journey on these two websites altogether for ensuring extra cryptocurrency on your devices. I think if you ask a question, what is the main difference between CryptoTab browser and this one is Honeyminer? I recommend you to use this CryptoTab browser because you can browse any types of topics on this platform like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera or other browsing sites. So this one is a user-friendly platform to use for browsing any types of topics and extra earning on these two websites altogether. So thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my previous videos on different types of cryptocurrency earning related videos from my YouTube channel. I mean, make money online. And if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box, and I'll help you to know more and more information on different types of cryptocurrency or related earning websites or apps altogether. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.